How to tell if someone blocked you on iMessage. So if you want to tell that someone blocked you on iMessage, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messages application and select the chat. Now try typing a message. If you see your message as a blue arrow and your message sends as a blue bubble, that's a good sign. You likely haven't been blocked. Now if underneath the message it says delivered or even read, that confirms it. You're not blocked. But if you're trying to send a message and it doesn't say delivered, or worse, it sends a green bubble, things get a little bit suspicious. Here's a way to test it. Try turning on your airplane mode and send a message. If it behaves the same way, like showing not delivered or sending as a green bubble, there's a possibility that you've been blocked. But keep in mind that green bubble doesn't guarantee it. Their phone could be off or they might have no signal. Another clue is tap on their profile icon, which will be on the top of the chat. And if they normally share the location with you and you suddenly can't see it anymore, that's another potential sign. You could also try calling them. If it goes straight to voicemail multiple times, that's one more clue. Though again, not 100% proof. The truth is, Apple doesn't send a notification when someone blocks you. But if your messages stay green, never say delivered, you can't see their location, and they never respond, then there's a strong chance that you've been blocked. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.